Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use dynamic blocks in AutoCAD. Dynamic blocks are an advanced feature in AutoCAD that allow a single block to have multiple variations and adjustable properties. Instead of creating several separate blocks for different sizes, angles, or configurations, a dynamic block can be modified directly within the drawing using special grips and controls. Dynamic blocks are commonly used for doors, windows, furniture, symbols, and other objects that may need to change size, orientation, visibility, or position. A dynamic block is a block that contains adjustable parameters and actions. What makes it different from a regular block? A regular block remains fixed after insertion. A dynamic block can be modified without creating a new block. Dynamic blocks can allow you to stretch objects, rotate components, change sizes, flip directions, show or hide features, and adjust angles. Dynamic blocks are often used for doors, windows, furniture, electrical symbols, plumbing fixtures, and architectural components. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to use a dynamic block. Dynamic blocks are inserted into existing drawings and layouts. Press Ctrl+3 on your keyboard. What happens next? The Blocks palette opens. The Blocks palette provides quick access to available block libraries, including dynamic blocks. Depending on your AutoCAD setup, you may see recent blocks, current drawing blocks, libraries, and dynamic block collections. Look through the available block list. Choose a block that contains dynamic functionality. Examples, you might find adjustable doors, stretchable windows, furniture blocks, and mechanical components. Many dynamic blocks display special grip controls after insertion. Click on the dynamic block you want to use. Click and drag the block into your drawing. Result: the dynamic block is inserted into the drawing. Initially, the block may appear similar to a normal block. Click on the inserted block. Then special grips, arrows, and control points appear around the block. Grips are interactive controls that allow you to modify the block without editing the block definition. They allow quick adjustments directly within the drawing. After selecting the block, you'll notice different arrows and pointers. Depending on the block design, they may allow you to rotate the block, change its size, stretch it, flip it, adjust angles, and change configurations. Some blocks contain rotation grips. Simply click and drag the rotation grip. Result: the block rotates without needing the rotate command. Without dynamic blocks, you would often need multiple block versions, manual editing, repeated insertion. Dynamic blocks combine all these variations into one object. Professional CAD users rely on dynamic blocks because they reduce drawing complexity and significantly increase productivity. Additional tip: if a block does not display arrows, grips, or adjustment controls after selection, it is likely a regular block rather than a dynamic block. What you just accomplished were, you opened the Blocks palette using Ctrl+3, selected a dynamic block, inserted it into the drawing, accessed dynamic grips, modified the block using interactive controls, and adjusted rotation, orientation, or other properties. Dynamic blocks allow a single block to perform the work of many different blocks, making drawings easier to manage and faster to create. To summarize, using dynamic blocks in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and pressing Ctrl+3 to open the Blocks palette. From the available block list, select a dynamic block and drag it into the drawing space. Once inserted, click on the block to display its dynamic grips and controls. These arrows and pointers allow you to modify the block directly within the drawing by rotating it, changing sides, adjusting angles, stretching it, or performing other predefined actions. This flexibility makes dynamic blocks significantly more powerful than standard blocks. And that's how to use dynamic blocks in AutoCAD. Dynamic blocks are one of the most efficient drafting tools because they allow a single block to adapt to multiple situations without requiring separate block files. Learning to use them effectively can dramatically speed up your workflow and make your drawings more flexible. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.